Hey everyone, I'm Ryan, and on this episode of Baking with Ryan, I'm making the ultimate funfetti cake. This cake is totally covered in sprinkles. There's sprinkles inside and out. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Start off by leveling all 4 funfetti cake layers. Then you can assemble your cake. Begin by piping down some white buttercream on top of the cake board and secure down the first cake layer. Now fill the cake layer with more white buttercream. After that, spread out the buttercream with an offset spatula. Once you finish that step, place on the second cake layer and repeat the process with the next 2 layers. Make sure to place on your 4th layer upside down to ensure that your cake has perfectly sharp edges. Now you can frost the cake. To make the process easier, I like to use a Wilton No. 789 piping tip. Pipe stripes of frosting all the way up to the top of the cake. Start off by smoothing out the buttercream on top. Then smooth out the side buttercream with an offset spatula. Once the cake is fully covered in frosting, smooth it out one more time using a cake scraper. Now, chill the cake in the fridge for 20 minutes. Once the cake is out of the fridge, pile on more pink buttercream and spread it out all over the cake. I like to use a cake scraper to ensure perfectly smooth edges. Now, spread out the overflow frosting that's hanging above the top of the cake. Next is my favorite part. Start off by pressing rainbow sprinkles against the bottom half of the cake. To avoid the mess, place a cookie sheet under your cake turntable. Finish off the cake by piping a ring of white buttercream dollops on top. If you want the cake to look even crazier, sprinkle some more rainbow sprinkles on top of the dollops. And there you go, the ultimate funfetti cake is finished. All that's left now is to cut a slice and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what cake you want me to make next.